Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Andrew Lately. The International Monetary Fund, the IMF, is reporting an extraordinary spike in requests for IMF emergency financing. IMF says about 80 countries have placed requests and more are likely to come. The fund says it has never had more than a handful of requests at the same time. The first of these emergency requests was approved yesterday in what is being referred to as a record-fast disbursement. The IMF estimates that the finance needs of emerging markets will be $2.5 trillion. Chairman of the Jake's Hotel, Villa and Spa in Treasure Beach, St. Elizabeth, Jason Hansel, is urging farmers to ramp up production. This amid concerns about food security in light of the COVID-19 pandemic. Mr. Hansel believes small farmers should make use of the $200 million relief program announced by Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark this week in response to the virus's impact on the sector.
I think the 200 million will do is it will show the farmers, it will demonstrate that we're encouraging them to expand their crops, to plant more, not less, because the Jamaican people are going to need it. Thank God we have the land and the farming culture that we can be sustainable and we can feed ourselves. And if it's one lesson that we have to learn out of this coronavirus thing is that we must be dependable. We must be self-reliant when it comes to food security.
However, some farmers are experiencing a glut in fruits and vegetables because the hotels which they normally supply are closed.
We have things like cantaloupes, honeydews, yellow squash, zucchini. Those are not items that are readily sold on the local market. Yeah, so and lettuce, romaine lettuce also, and red and yellow peppers.
The JC index gained 9,599 points today, while the junior market gained 50 points. Now among the winners were Caribbean Cream, Indies Pharma, Elite Diagnostic, T-Tech, and Knoxford Express Services. On the losing side were Portland JSX, CAC 2000, Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances, Lasco Manufacturing, and Everything Fresh. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $135.47. The Canadian dollar is going for $98.27. The pound closed at $165.37, while the euro sold for $149.32. And that's the Financial Week. I'm Andrew Lately. Good evening.